Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to see if like on Instagram. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Instagram, you just click on the profile icon at the bottom, this one, click on it. And after this you can click on three lights icon at the top, click on it. And in here you just click on your activity, click on it. In here you just click on interaction, this one, click on it. And in here you just click on the likes. And in here you can see a like on Instagram. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.